Good morning. Good morning, y'all, and welcome back to my channel. We are finally back with a Pretty Boss series. So we're finally back with another Pretty Boss series, and today I have a ton of orders, more than usual, to package. So I thought it would be a perfect time to just kind of update y'all on everything that's going on in the business. Last week was a really good week, and we got a lot of orders, which is very exciting. Let me show y'all. Let me make sure I'm not showing y'all nothing crazy. So if you look over here, let it focus. So if you look over here, these are all the orders that we got. So yeah, and it keeps going, but I'm gonna go ahead and fulfill all of these orders. Like I said, I think I told y'all before, hold on, let me turn this way because of the lighting, but I think I told y'all before that I use Wix. Right now I have the business basic plan. It's $28 a month for that plan. If you guys do want to use Wix, I like Wix. I haven't had any hiccups with Wix so far. So that's just the website, I guess, domain that I use. Okay, y'all, so where you see the unfulfilled, those are the orders that I need to fulfill for today. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 orders that we need to fulfill for today that are going out right now. So the first thing that I want to do is click on what the person wants. So I'm clicking on the first order, and she ordered Muva in a medium size shirt. So Muva is our new collection shirt that was released on Mother's Day, which I have a whole I videotaped the process of making the shirts, and I'm going to talk a little bit about starting a t-shirt brand maybe in another video, but I'll add that part in this video of just how I make my t-shirts so you guys can get a sneak peek. So I'm going to show you the shirt now. Let me grab one. Actually, I need to grab all of them because this shirt has been a hot commodity, because you know we did just have Mother's Day, so that's what's going on. It's called Muva on the website, which is mother, and this is what the shirt looks like. Hold on, y'all. So the shirt just looks like this, and this is some of the I made a few last night. So I made all those last night because I knew I had some orders today to fulfill. So it just says mother, and it's in this yellow glittery color. Here, if it picks it up, it's in a glitter. There we go. You can kind of see it. But it's in a glitter vinyl, and it just says mother, classy, bougie, respected. And it's from Meg Thee Stallion's Savage lyrics. It's like classy, bougie, ratchet, you know. But I put respected because we're not ratchet out here, you guys. Mothers are respectful, they're not ratchet. I'm gonna lay out everything that needs to go in packaging, and then I'll be right back. All right, guys, so the first order is already up here, and ignore my bed. I'm getting ready to do laundry. So she has her Mother's Day shirt. So that is a Mother's Day shirt in a size medium. She also ordered our cheetah print pants. I believe this is called Cheetah Girl on the website, but they're just some bell bottom pants. They're really pretty. Like, I love the rich colors in this. It's a very thick material, actually. So when you stretch it, it's not see-through. So it's a very stretchy material. Love it, love it, love it. I'm assuming she might wear that together, which is very cute. So love it. That's her order. So I'm just gonna kind of stack that together and put it in a pile so I know, and I have to get the labels ready and everything. So the next order, let me make sure her information isn't showing on the screen, but the next order, she has 3 of those shirts. She has the Safari Mommy outfit. She has Clout and Slush. So we're gonna run into the boutique real quick, which is just an extra room in my house. That was my sister's old room. Sorry for the lighting, but we're gonna go over here where I have just some of my inventory hung up, and I also have some more inventory in some boxes. Yeah, so she has Safari, she has Slush. This outfit is in Slush. Oh, it's only one more left. So I'm gonna check and see what size this is. That's probably a large. I know she wants a small, so let's see here. So I usually have it going from small to medium to large, extra large. Once I get my room set up, because exciting news, actually, y'all might know what I'm going to say, but I'll tell you in another vlog. Let me go ahead and grab her stuff before I go in there. So we have a small in Slush, which is a really cute jumpsuit. She also bought not Chico. Let's see, she bought this dress in a size small, and this dress is so cute. Super, super cute. If I think about it, I'll insert some pictures of what it looks like, but I have some of my like tags out, and I can't be giving away my vendors right now, but I am gonna give y'all some tea in another video about vendors, so y'all have to tune in. And let me get the 2-piece set, which is in one of these boxes down here. We grabbed the small, and it's already in its packaging. And y'all, I have some new inventory that came in. So, in a second, I'll let y'all. Yeah. Okay. I might have to go get a bigger mailer for her stuff, because she has quite a bit of things. I don't know if my bag is going to stretch that big, honestly. We'll have to see about her order. So I'm going to show you everything that she has. But, what was I saying? Oh yeah, so the exciting news that I have to let you guys know, or that I guess I can't let you guys know right now, y'all will find out very soon, but unfortunately, y'all, I have to be very careful about what I put on my channel right now, because I basically have a stalker. Somebody's been kind of watching all my videos and spreading rumors. I don't even want to say rumors, just been watching all my videos, speaking negative on me, trying to talk down on me, trying to hurt the people around me, even threaten the people around me, kind of slandering my name to their peer group. And it's really unfortunate, and it's really messy, y'all. Like, it's not even anybody, ooh, someone's on the website, but it's not even anyone that I can even have any control over the situation, y'all. Honestly, I just kind of let it do whatever it's gonna do, because I'm blessed and highly favored, and God does not bless no mess, because this situation is above me and beyond me. But with that being said, I'm still being super careful, just to protect those around me of what I'm filming and what I'm putting on my channel for now. So I'll let y'all know that information later. And y'all, like I said, this person stalks all my videos. So, hey girl, hey stalker, I know you're watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and join the girl gang too. We'll love to have you. So, let's get back to what we're doing. So she ordered this dress. Well, she ordered her 2-piece set in a size small, which is in here. I'm probably going to open it and make sure everything's good. But for right now, it's going to sit in there. She also ordered this dress, which is super cute. This is the Clout dress. It's super cute. It's a bodycon midi dress with a little cutout right here. And y'all, I love this dress. It looks fabulous. And I will insert pictures of me in the dress modeling it. This is a 2-piece set. It's super, 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 super cute. and it's very long, so if you're short, you will have to get this hemmed or taken in. But yeah, so that's her order, and I have a few more to fulfill. So let's get to it. Okay, so for the last order that we're going to fulfill today is this one. So we're going to do 3 orders today because the rest of the orders are custom orders where I have to make more of these shirts. So she got the Mamacita jumpsuit. Y'all, this jumpsuit is so cute. Y'all, everything is cute, but it's so pretty. I will insert a picture on the screen. And she also got the Mamacita jumpsuit, which features these little straps where you can tie them any way that you want, which gets creative. And I believe the girl that ordered this, actually 2 people, the customer that ordered this, we actually went to high school together. So shout out to you, Ayana. And this was my first best friend that ordered this, and her name is Kiera. So shout out to you. Thank you so much for supporting my business. I have a phone call coming in, but yeah, guys, thank you so much for supporting my business. And yeah, I just really appreciate it. Hold on, y'all. So yeah, shout out to you, Ayana Walker and Kiera Hayward. Thank you so much for supporting my business. You guys rock, and thank you for supporting Black-owned business, my business, and just showing support. It's I appreciate it so much. I don't know, it just, I'm about to mute y'all. Mute yourself real quick. Tyree, mute yourself real quick. I'm trying to give thanks. Mute yourself. Okay. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for supporting my business, Kiera Hayward and Ayana Walker. It means a lot that you guys actually shop my website and that you're gonna wear these items. I hope you guys love it. I love when my hometown supports me. Like, it's nothing better than your home supporting what you do and helping spreading the word. So I'm really glad that they did this. It means a lot. So I really appreciate it. So yeah. All right, guys, so I'm just writing my thank you cards right here. I always put a personal message inside, and I also add my business cards. So I already wrote one, and I'm gonna go ahead, take the card. Oh, I already have one. So take this, take your card, and this is my business card. Looks like this, and I gave y'all more information on how to make your own card in one of my videos. So make sure y'all stay tuned or go check out the videos that I have in the Pretty Boss series. But what you want to do is just take your bobby pin, stick it in the back, and then it's in there. It's in there like swimwear. Few errands to run, but real quick, I do want to show you guys the new arrivals. I'm always running back and forth to this room. All right, so we did get new arrivals. Let me flip some stuff over. Okay, so this is our new arrival that just came in. It's a really cute maxi dress. So this is kind of what your packaging will look like when you order wholesale. for each wholesale item, you get 6 a piece. So this is a sundress or a maxi dress, and this is a maxi dress, and I have 6 of them. I always take out one and keep one for myself so I can model and show myself in it. But this is the actual item right here. Let me kind of hang it up somewhere so you guys can see. So this is the maxi dress, and it's super cute and super long, as you can see. And I will insert a picture so you all can definitely look at it. They're going fast. Last year our maxi dresses were the most popular, so we had to bring that back. Definitely had to bring these back for you guys. Super exciting. I'm actually gonna order some more inventory